Okay, so here's my Mini-ITX build. This is my setup in the front room where I normally stream and play. Um, so let's just go over some of the little details. So first we have a UPerfect 18.5 inch portable monitor. It is VESA mountable, so in my bedroom I have a mounted stand on the desk. I also have different colored cords. I'll show you a picture of that. And then my favorite part of my build so far is this Radeon RX580 by MSI, 8 gigabytes of RAM, VRAM, and it was brand new in box. I paid 80 bucks for it, so I thought that was a cool find. It's an awesome card for what it is. I really enjoy using it. You notice here I have these little baby nubs for the Wi-Fi antenna. Bought them on eBay. Normally it's a long rabbit ear antenna, and that's just too much, but these work great. So this is my normal streaming or playing setup when I'm not in the bedroom. I'll go ahead and show you a picture of my normal bedroom setup on the desk. So here we go. This is it. I'll be posting some videos of me playing some games on this. Probably just the games I play. Hell Let Loose, World War II Online, Postscriptum. There's other games I have that I can probably just show benchmarks on. Not that I'm like an expert on any of that stuff. Anyway, look out for more.